Want to become a data scientist but don't know where to start? This roadmap is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to StoryBytes AI. I'm your learning partner, Byte. Are you guys excited to start your journey with data science? Then this video is only for you. We all are want to start with data science but don't know what is the actual roadmap and how can we start. Then don't worry. In this video, I will explain all the roadmap clearly. Just look at my screen and go with me. So, data science is not just about machine learning. It has a proper learning path. So, let's start how I can start and end. So, first learn Python programming language, then build your mathematics and statistics foundation. Next, move to the data analytics with SQL, Excel, and Power BI. After that, learn data science concept like NumPy, Pandas, data cleaning, EDA, feature engineering. Then continue with machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, Gen AI, data engineering, and finally the MLOps. So, this is the complete roadmap of data science. From today, I am starting a complete data science playlist. In this series, we will cover every topic one by one from absolute beginner to advanced. With simple explanation, practical examples, and project. If you don't want to miss this any lesson, then follow StoryBytes AI and let's start this journey together. Till then, tata, bye bye, and take care.